Hello! To set photo as always on display on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you will have to go into the settings. From here move into wallpapers and style, and here we have always on display. So let's go in there, and here you have to scroll down and you will see the personalized category. And from here you have to go all the way to the right, and here is text and image. Select it, and from here you can select any picture from your gallery that you want to set on your always on display. And from here you can make some adjustments. You can make the picture bigger or smaller, just like this. For some reason it's not getting all right. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can set up rounded corners. You can set up image blur, just like this. You can also insert some text, and you can also make the text colored. You can change the colors of the text, just like this, as you can see. And from here simply press apply. And here we can see that this picture, this theme is currently in use. And yeah, that's basically how to set up the photo. Thank you for watching.